Hey yo foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a culinary journey to my absolute favorite restaurant in Bangalore, none other than Baba Punjabi. The journey to Baba Punjabi is always worth it. Located in the heart of the Bangalore, this place is renowned for its authentic Punjabi taste and mouth-watering delicacies. Step inside and you will instantly be greeted by the warm and inviting ambience of Baba Punjabi. It's like stepping into Punjab itself. Their specialty lies in their incredible soya chaaps. These vegetarian delights are bursting with flavors and will leave you craving for more. And let's talk about their winter food menu. It's a symphony of flavors dancing in your mouth. From rich and creamy curries to hearty tandoori bread. Baba Punjabi has it all. Trust me, guys, every bite is a taste of Punjab's culinary heritage. I can't resist digging into their mouth-watering delicacies again. I know to visit Baba Punjabi is incomplete without trying their famous lassi. It's so thick and creamy, you will feel like you're sipping a taste of heaven. If you're visiting with a group, make sure to try their incredible soya platter. It's a feast for the senses and perfect for sharing with friends and family. And with that, we come to an end of this amazing vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such food adventures.